Class 5. I am here to demonstrate the process of photosynthesis. The students are where yellow color is sunlight. The students are where green color is leaves. The students wear blue color water. The students wear normal uniform carbon dioxide, glucose, oxygen. As we learn this activity, leaves absorb sunlight and convert into chemical energy, which combines with simple inorganic substance like water, carbon dioxide to prepare food as glucose, and as byproducts release oxygen, making food by plants called photosynthesis. Thank you.